Tilkankatu 6/8 in Pikku-Huopalahti, Tilkankatu keskus Finland. Give us these waters 13 grams. I love the sounds from it. It's still a bit original today, and this one has 5 floors. The staircase B has 6 floors, and I don't know about the staircase C. I'm gonna see if it has 5 or 6 floors. It was also built in 1992, turning 30 years old in 2022, and it's going to be inspected in next year, 2021. The serial number is H67122. Amazing. Love the smell.
Same.
Don't know if it was built in 1993, but I'm gonna check it later.
Yeah.
Cool sounds.
Yeah.
Some of the best I heard. I'm not Kone, late 1990s Kone later.
Yeah.
One of the best sounds.
Yeah.
That's why it deserves a second ride. And the floor is original.
Yeah.
You can press.
Tippaakin vai pitää, että meidän tippaakki on.
Some other day we will film the other Kone that we have seen, but we haven't gotten inside yet.
Yeah.
Also the single one, there are 2 of them.
Yeah.
Which are locked up but don't have anything and not even a code.
Yeah.
We're gonna get to them later, but not today. I don't think we're lucky now.
Yeah.
Like, we're gonna have so much luck and we're gonna get them now. But there is still time. They're not gonna modernize them.
Yeah.
And by those 2 that don't have a code, nothing, there used to be a Spar grocery store.
Yeah. That's
Thank you.